Good morning. Hi, Cedric. I know today is your birthday. I want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy second birthday. You're the most adorable and cute little guy. And I want to wish you a very big happy birthday. Happy second birthday. We love you, birthday boy. Look at, I can hear the airplane. I wish I could fly and join you with your birthday. I love you, Cedric. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Happy second birthday. I love you. Love you. Thank you for being my follower. Thank you, Cedric. Happy birthday. Bye.
My hands are sweating. Got it.
Kung hilaki-laki ha, pabasahon na ka, na.
Patay gud astang uk-uk.
Pungi ka ro.
Na.